Hello, it is John Jones at John Jones Music on Instagram, JonJonez Music. And on Instagram, you're going to find a 1 minute version of this lesson. I'm going to delve a little bit deeper in on YouTube. So the problem is that when people go from low E to F sharp, they lift up their right pinky. And when they're going down, they don't put down the right pinky, and then they put it down when they go to the F. Now, the correct way to do this is when you go from E to F sharp, you do not lift up the right pinky. E, F sharp, then you lift up both on G sharp. Now, when you're going back down, G to G flat, you put both pinkies down. And the keys work together for this exact reason, because you have E, F sharp, you lift them up both together so you don't get a blip, because when you get a blip, it sounds like this. Now, one great exercise to work on is this one exactly. If you have this problem, don't worry, we can fix it. First, start with this. Then down. Back up. Down. Now, do one whole repetition up and down. You can also do this with triplets. And then eventually, now those are the ways you can stretch that exercise out. So, great one for the day. Comments and questions below. Thank you so much for watching.